I'm a one doctor practice and, we now have 2 lasers
Mhm.
because it was always so busy. People the problem was a lineup.
Mm.
And so anyone that's hearing this, a one doctor practice, I need 2 lasers
Mhm.
because we use it that much. And part of it is, you get the laser for a specific reason, like I mentioned earlier, but, you have to remind yourself,
100%.
use it for this. This cat has stomatitis. Use the laser.
Mhm.
The cat has asthma. Use the laser.
Mhm.
You have to remember all those other things that maybe you don't see every day, but
Yeah.
that are there.
Well, and speaking of cats, one of my favorite things that I learned about the laser was using it for my blocked cats. So before unblocking them, actually doing the prepuce area, doing the bladder area, and helping with that procedure. And then when they're in hospital and you've unblocked them, but you have those days where you're waiting for the urine to kind of clear out and everything to drain, treating the bladder, treating the back area, and seeing the relief they get, but then also how much quicker they improve. That's been one thing that I have found really, really helpful, and I see so many blocked cats that it's changed their treatment protocols for sure.
Exactly. And I think another thing is the diarrhea dogs,
Mm.
to do those because, I mean, what bugs an owner? Anything that keeps them awake at night that the dog has, and urinary diarrhea issues because they're having accidents in the house. And the quicker I can get that
Under
intestinal
control.
tract back to normal. Yeah.
Absolutely. And the data around that with like the study that was done with the German Shepherd dogs, the
Mhm.
working dogs, and kind of trying different treatments and the fact that the laser was so effective. And
Right.
those dogs, I've had to deal with those dogs. It is a pain. They keep flaring up. And
Right.
so to have another tool in your toolbox is extremely helpful.